Myself, Avdesh Dharmaraj Lauti, and I am studying in Standard 12th in Brilliant Professional Academy. As I am here for sharing my experience regarding to the online education of Standard 11th with Brilliant Professional Academy. As after giving our 10 board examination, the corona pandemic started spreading rapidly in our nation. As thus, the government of the India decided to impose lockdown all over the nation, as this somehow disturbed the education of the students in the nation. But in this situation also, Brilliant Professional Academy provided proper education and guidance to all its students by the way of online lectures. From day one of the online lectures to the final day, we never felt that we were sitting in front of laptop, PC, mobile phones, etc. We always felt that we were sitting actually in the class and attending the lectures. The lectures were very much interesting, which were held with the proper interactive PPTs, videos, photos, etc. As proper notes were also been provided by the academy, which helped the students in understanding various new concepts. As tests were being also conducted at the regular intervals with proper and strict supervisions, and mark of the respective test were shared through the official app of Brilliant Professional Academy. As the parents meet were also being conducted at the regular interval as and when they were required for sharing the progress of the students with their parents. Along with the studies, various curriculum activities were being also conducted in Brilliant Professional Academy, like Manthan 2.0, which was an IT program. As Manthan 2.0 helped the student in exploring their knowledge regarding to the IT, which is very much important in the future. As some other presentation programs were being also conducted, which helped the students in developing their presentation and communication skills, which are very much important in this competitive market. The Brilliant Professional Academy looked after overall development of the student. Today, I can proudly say that taking the admission in Brilliant Professional Academy was one of the best steps that I had ever taken. So this was my experience regarding to the online education of Standard 11th with Brilliant Professional Academy. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव साक्षी मल्लिकार्जुन शेटे. मी सध्या ब्रिलियंट प्रोफेशनल अकॅडमी येथे शिकतीये. गेली 1-2 वर्ष आपला देश कोरोनाच्या महामारीशी लढा देत आहे. याचा बऱ्याच जणांना खूप मोठा फटका बसला. इव्हन विद्यार्थ्यांवर देखील याचा खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर परिणाम झाला. पण आमच्या अकॅडमीमुळे आम्हाला त्याचा इतका त्रास सहन करावा लागला नाही. कारण या महामारीच्या काळात देखील अकॅडमीचं काम सातत्याने सुरूच होतं. भलेही फेस टू फेस लेक्चर्स घेता आले नाही, पण तरी देखील ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स घेऊन अकॅडमीने आमची ऑनलाईन बॅच कंप्लीट केली. मी कोल्हापूर बाहेर राहत असून देखील मला वेळच्या वेळी सगळे लेक्चर्स अटेंड करता आले. आमच्या एक्झाम्स ऑनलाईन झाल्या, एक्झामिनेशन देखील ऑनलाईन झालं. इव्हन या एक्झाम्सचे जे रिझल्ट आहेत तर ते देखील आम्हाला BPA ॲप थ्रू कळवण्यात आले. आमचे जे काही डाऊट्स होते ते सगळे डाऊट्स कॉल थ्रू किंवा मेसेजद्वारे सॉल्व्ह केले गेले आणि अशा तऱ्हेने अकॅडमीने आम्हाला वेळच्या वेळी साथ दिली. सो थँक्स टू ब्रिलियंट प्रोफेशनल अकॅडमी अँड आय वुड सजेस्ट इन दिस कोरोना पॅन्डेमिक टू टेक ओव्हर दी BPA एज्युकेशन अँड अचीव सक्सेस. थँक यू.
Hello everyone, this is Atharva Gulawani, currently studying in 12th Standard Commerce in Brilliant Professional Academy. As we all know, the year of 2020 is regarded as a year of pandemic COVID-19, which paved a great setback to education system, but not with Brilliant Academy. Our academy didn't wait for the condition to be normal for the offline batches. Rather, it started their own online classes from 2nd of July 2020, and the day by day, the students started joining. From the day 1 to the day final examination, academy was consistent in each and every aspect. It can be anything such as distribution of soft copy of the notes, weekly tests through the official app of Brilliant Academy, monthly unit test, and also the examinations such as midterm and final examinations. Academy was very strict regarding these examinations. Also, it followed the strict rules and regulations such as for the online classes, the camera should be switched on compulsory and all the students should write the examination in a proper ethical manner. Also, there was separate doubt solving session in an offline manner. Also, all the teachers adopted the creative, or we can say as a group learning activity, which made the student to feel that he's sitting in a classroom in spite of being in front of a laptop or mobile phone in a virtual reality platform. All the team members gave their best for the improvement of students, as some of the subjects were new for all the students. Also, there was a program conducted such as Manthan 2.0, which was generally an IT program which helped the student to gain more knowledge and their interest in the subjects information technology. And rest were the results. This was this was in short about the internal management of team BPA. Thank you.
हाय, मी जान्हवी रवींद्र पाटील. BPA सोबत मी 11 पासून कनेक्टेड आहे. 11चे लेक्चर्स सक्सेसफुली कंडक्ट झाले, पण जेव्हा 12चे लेक्चर सुरू होणार होते तेव्हा कोरोनामुळे सगळीकडे लॉकडाऊन झाले आणि फेस टू फेस लेक्चर्स कंडक्ट करणे अवघड झाले. यावर सोल्युशन म्हणून BPAने ऑनलाईन लेक्चर सुरू केले. ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स थ्रू आमचा पूर्ण पोर्शन कंप्लीट झाला. एवढंच नव्हे तर ऑनलाईन टेस्ट, डाऊट क्लिअरिंग सेशन्स आणि प्रिलिम सुद्धा कंडक्ट केले. ह्याचे रिझल्ट्स आम्हाला BPA ॲप थ्रू वेळोवेळी मिळत गेले. त्यामुळे BPAने कोरोनासारख्या वर्स्ट सिच्युएशनमध्ये सुद्धा स्टुडंट्सच्या स्टडीजवर परिणाम होऊ दिला नाही.
नॉर्मल कंडिशनमध्ये चांगला परफॉर्मन्स देणं एवढं कठीण गोष्ट नाही आहे, परंतु कोरोनासारख्या अनफेवरेबल कंडिशनमध्ये उत्तम प्रतिसाद मिळत असेल तर ही कौतुकास्पद बाब आहे आणि यासाठी मी BPAचं कौतुक करते. BPAने विद्यार्थ्यांबरोबरच पालकांशी पण वेळोवेळी ऑनलाईन माध्यमाद्वारे संवाद साधला. म्हणूनच विद्यार्थी आणि पालकांची योग्य निवड आहे BPA. BPA म्हणजेच ब्रिलियंट प्रोफेशनल अकॅडमी.
थँक्यू.